your thoughts on what happened. What is up, dudes and dudettes? Don't forget about the dudettes. Anyway, so absolutely nothing has happened. That's why I haven't been vlogging. Hello, Phoenix. Hello, Phoenix. Hello, Phoenix. Hello, Phoenix. Hot dog. No. We are hot. Hot dog, hot diggity dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Piano 1. Piano 2. Microwave open. Piano in. Microwave closed. And start. Dylan is coming here and we are gonna try and build a PC. So let's see if we can get him here quickly. Before we continue, just quickly explain to them why you need a graphics card to start that motherboard.
Fine.
What is missing?
If they don't know, they shouldn't know.
VGA. Did you just break my heatsink?
It's already broken.
What's wrong now? Alright.
It's too fucking big for your piece of shit books.
No, it's not. Do you want to know what's the issue?
Shut the fuck up.
Do you want to know what's the issue? There we go. Yeah.
Fucking asshole.
There we go. Motherboard out.
Shut the fuck up.
And power supply in.
It's still too fucking big.
No, there we go.
Shut.
Is it too big now?
Why yes.
But oh my god, I am never gonna give you a PC or what?
Shut the fuck up.
The struggle is real.
Ow.
Mhm.
It ain't fucking perfect.
But it fits. Oh, do I need to hold the light? So give me the phone.
Just shut the fuck up. Why?
Bloop bleep. Bloop bloop.
There's a hole. I can see one fucking hole. Is that gonna be enough to keep up the power supply? I don't know. Are we gonna find out? Yeah. Guess so. There we go.
The moment of truth, that's all. What's your thoughts on what happened? PC won't start because the motherboard is not working. And oh yeah, there is a new tutorial, link will be in the description.